Good afternoon, students. So, in this video, we will revise chapter number 5th from your book, An Alien Hand. Your supplementary reader books, chapter 5th, Golu grows a nose. So, this chapter tells us about Golu, a baby elephant. So, it lived during the times when elephants did not have trunks but just bulgy noses. They did have just have bulgy noses. Golu always asks a lot of questions like why ostriches don't fly, what makes a giraffe skin so spotty. So that type of questions uh, came in Golu's mind, and he used to ask them. Animals thought him to be naughty as he asked such questions which they did not know the answers of. They did not know the answers of those questions which he asked. One day he asked a myna bird, what does the crocodile have for dinner? So, that type of silly questions he asked. The myna asked him to go to the banks of the great grassy Limpopo River to find out the answers to this question. To find out the answer of this particular question, he went home and told his family that he was going to the great grassy Limpopo River to find out what the crocodile had for dinner. However, he had never seen a crocodile and did not know what did it look like. On his way, he met a python. He asked him, what did a crocodile look like? What did he have for dinner? Okay, so Python did not say anything. Golu started his journey again, and after a few days, he reached the edge of the great Limpopo River. There, he saw a log of wood. What he saw there? He saw a log of wood, a piece of wood that was actually a crocodile. It actually seemed like a log of wood, but in real, it was a crocodile. So Golu asked him that whether he had seen a crocodile. The crocodile called him near and told him that he was a crocodile and shed some crocodile tears to show he was true. Golu, though afraid, sat on the bank and asked him, what do you have for dinner? Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's snout, and the crocodile caught him by the nose and said that he thought he would eat a baby elephant for dinner. He would be have in his dinner a baby crocodile. He wanted to eat Golu. Now, Golu pleaded for letting him go. All this while, the python had been following Golu. He came near and told Golu to pull as hard as he could. He told Golu that if he wouldn't do that, the crocodile would drag him into the stream. So, in the end, the python helped him out uh, to save himself from the crocodile. So, that is all about Golu. Okay, his silly questions. So, read out the chapter, students.